How's your day today, Clover? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. We are going to be saying bye to the Corvette for now. It's not going anywhere too far. Just to Jack's house where I built the 240. If you guys remember, it's some of my first videos. The 240 was at his dad's house. I'm giving his dad the motor out of the Corvette for his Camaro. I don't know what year it is. We'll go over it when we get there. But anyway, we're taking the Corvette there. We're going to load up on the trailer today. Got to take the front end off, stuff like that. So we got a lot of work to do. Also, this is a little glimpse of my house. I'm doing a house tour soon, so expect that here in the near future. I got to clean a little bit. It's a little messy. Beautiful box of taquitos. Can't really see it. And a dog cage. So there's a little glimpse of my house. So hope you guys enjoy that. It's absolutely freezing out. I'm about to move the speed over to the other side of the driveway. That way, hopefully I can maneuver the Corvette around it because the Corvette doesn't have power steering, water pump, alternator right now because that crank pulley is not spinning. So I got to move it quick and get it on there quick. Hopefully it goes on the trailer easy. I don't think it will, but fingers crossed. Anyway, let's go move the speed, get a nice cold start. Alright guys, Jack is here. It's freezing, so I'm just going to set the camera down and we're going to try and get this thing loaded up. Somehow it was easier to load than any 240 I've ever loaded.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm surprised.
Yeah. It was burning coolant. And this wheel's hanging off, but, you know, it's up there.
On the trailer, but that'll buff.
Oh, I didn't even realize this wheel's bent. I don't care. No.
That's gotta be from the trailer.
Oh, 100%. That's alright, though. One of these wheels is already destroyed, so... Anyway, we're going to strap this thing up. Look at that burning coolant back there. I think it's coolant. I don't know. Alright, it's freezing. We're going to strap this thing up and go to Jack's house. Okay, we're at Jack's. You guys might remember this place. I built the 240 here, and we've done multiple videos with Jack's car here. Anyway, it's freezing. We're just going to unload this thing. Hopefully it goes well. This tire's kind of hanging off. I'm super cold, so...
This thing?
It's a baller. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All the
for a week.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
But,
3 weeks.
I'll just be putting it on my Snap story. Females be calling up like, "You got a Corvette?" Like, yep.
Yeah. You can. I don't care. You can use it. Get yourself a girl with it. All right, so we got the thing off the trailer after like 30 minutes, and I can't feel my hands. It's freaking cold out. You agree?
I'm numb, yeah.
So we're going to drop this trailer off right now, and then we're going to go take the front of the Corvette apart.
Want to see some talent?
And then I'm leaving because it's cold and crappy out. We're about to witness some talent, apparently.
Oh yeah, dude.
He's backing down the road. That's some talent right there, folks.
That's right.
Okay, so it's a completely different day. Basically what happened was we took the front end off the Corvette. I'm going to head over there. I'll show you. We're going to drive the speed, so need to grab some gas. I'll explain in the next video what's going on with the speed. This video is supposed to be about the speed, but I didn't have time to make a video about the speed, so I promise next video will be about the speed. But for now, we're going to go grab some gas, head over to Jack's, and I'll show you guys what we did to the Corvette. Got some oil in, but of course now we need gas, so we're gonna go get some gas. It's literally a McLaren 720S over here. I'm gonna try and see if I can get it on camera. Someone's big balling right now. Also, I'm gonna scrape really bad getting out of here, so we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, I don't know if that's a 720S. I don't know what that is. That thing's sick. I want it. Let me know if I should get a McLaren on the channel. All right, so this is where we left off last night. We got the radiator out that I put in and all that good stuff from bumper, but as you can see, that thing wiggles a lot. Hey, there's Jack's dad.
Oh, hey, you doing the vlog?
Yeah, I'm doing the vlog. Yeah, you know, the vlog life. Just showing them your new motor.
I'm excited about it.
Yeah. No problem.
I was just thinking, like,
Oh, here we go. Here we go with the mods.
what? Well,
Go ahead, yeah.
You can't just like take this guy's motor and just put it in your car bum stock, you know? Like,
Why not? What's wrong with that?
it just seems like a waste of time. I just don't know who wastes their time pulling an engine out of a Corvette to put it into another car and not even can it or put headers on it. Like, it's unheard of to me at least.
If you want to tear it apart and put the parts in there, I'll let you.
I plan on tearing it apart, you know? You just gotta throw the money in it. That's all you gotta do, man.
All right, well, that's where we're leaving the Corvette for now. I'm done. My part's done, so it's all Jack and his dad now to pull this thing out. They're gonna have a fun time
Oh yeah.
without a lift, so
Yeah, it should be interesting. It should be fun though.
yeah.
I've worked on that, so.
Of course, I'm saying it's gonna be a fun time now. I'm the one that has to put the motor back in, so you know.
I'll help
But all right,
Yeah.
nice. All right, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Over, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Speedburner. Follow Jack. Someone traded him a 350Z for this 240 over here. HR only or rev up.
Right.
Clean title.
Preferably HR.
Yeah, or LS swapped.
Yeah.
350.
If anyone wants to just give me an LS3 and a T56, I'll just give you that car.
How about a LS3 350?
Yeah.
Tell Justin.